Yes, sir. Another one, 3 in 1 day. You know how I'm coming, 2023, and bringing you all the gems about driving, gig economy, passive income, active income, side hustles, anything to get you paid. You can sit back in the shade and get out the 9 to 5 rat race. We about that. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, USPack. Man, you can make almost $1,500 a week with this company, and they are everywhere. So, contractor employment opportunities. We independent contractors. We are independent bosses. So that's where we're going to go. Bop, 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 bop. All right. So they got over 157 matches starting Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, where I'm at, Indiana, Illinois. I mean, they are everywhere. I mean, you know what? No, I didn't see. You know who I didn't see, guys? I apologize. You guys in the great state of California, you always hit me up about positions. I do not see California on here. I'm sorry. They are not everywhere. Almost everywhere, but they are not everywhere. Let's go through this list. Connecticut, Georgia, Florida, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kentucky. First time I've seen Kentucky. Positions on here, Texas, Utah. I got Utah. I got Utah, but no California. But I got a whole video on California for you guys. All you have to do is go to my channel, go to the search box, type California, just type Cali. It'll come up. But let me show you how to get to the money on here. All right, so best to show you my area. I'm gonna show you. Let's do West Virginia, somewhere real random. West Virginia, real random. Okay, like I thought they didn't have too much. Morgantown, heard of Morgantown? I think that's where the University of West Virginia is. So they got a route, small car, SUV, minivan. You don't even need a cargo van or a box truck for most of these routes with this company. They have their own parts department where you drive your routes and you drive around. Click here, fill out your information, phone number, email address, how you hear about them, and submit. And they will reply back to you, usually via email. That's how I got replied to about a job. This was almost a year ago, but I had some other things going on. I didn't take it, but this is USPack, and they are everywhere, and you can just drive your car, SUV, anything you got. So let's go to some other states. Utah, another random state. They got two in Utah, auto parts. Both of them are auto parts. So it looks like most of the positions for this company are auto parts carrier. They could be anything from a car battery, some headlight bulbs, a fuel injector, spark plugs. I've delivered some of the other things. Usually you send them to like little small mom and pop parts repair shops. Then sometimes you have those national chain repair shops like Speedy Shop, ANTV, Auto Repairs. It's like some national chain repair shops where they repair stuff. So you kind of just picking up the parts and dropping them off on a daily basis. I've done it here in Georgia. You pretty much going to the same repair shops throughout the week, 8 hours a day. This one says 268 miles. Now, the pay, they don't show you. Usually when they don't show you the pay, they're trying to chump you on the dollars. But we're not going to let them do that here. We out here to get paid. So for cars, you want to be at least, for small cars, not minivans or SUVs, for small cars, you want to be at least $1 amount. Anything over that, you want to go like $1.25, $1.50, if you're in the SUV or minivan. Now this one says minivan or Sprinter. So this one, you're going to have to haul a lot of stuff around. So they better be paying almost close to $2 a mile for what they haul. If they're not getting close to $2 a mile, $1.50, $1.75, the minimum that you guys should be asking for. A lot of times you can negotiate. Especially if these routes been sitting for a long time, they need to pick it. They rather, make $100 on their end give you the full rate amount, then, you know, them not making anything, the route is sitting there unfulfilled, or one of the managers got to go out. The managers, they don't like to go out and fulfill the route, so they like to hire independent contractors like you. Now, we got a phone number here. You know, we do on Be On Boss channel. We don't just fill out the application. We don't just fill out the on the online form. We don't just send an email. We do all three: online form, email, phone call, and pull up if we close enough. So we don't have the address for these places, but we can figure it out through a Google search, through a phone number, if you really, you know, really that handy. But here are some of the services. Most, like I said, most of what we seen were auto parts. Some are medical, but they got white glove delivery, big bulky, final mile. That's like, you know, what Amazon delivery does. Once it gets to a certain location from the main hub, it goes to the final mile to your house. And those are real good routes. Let's see what we got in Georgia. Where your boy at? All right, so they got something in Conyers, pharmaceuticals, Norcross, Thompson, Georgia. So they even got stuff down in the country you guys can do, man. These are car routes, pharmaceutical car routes, nothing for vans. Here's a auto part for a car. So, you know, they're not going to try to pay you too much. I need that van or minivan or cargo van routes, man. They're not giving none of those. Atlanta, Athens. So you can go to Conyers all the way to Athens. Yeesh. Begins at 5:30. That ain't a bad route, though. It ain't bad at all. We might have to see about that one. All right, so, you know, they got network. Let's click on employment opportunities. Like I thought, it's more of operations, warehouse work. Nothing like the driving stuff we like to get into on this channel, so we're not going to worry about that. All right, but that is USPack in a nutshell. I'm not going to talk you all to death, make this video unnecessarily long. You got the meat and potatoes. You can use your car, SUV, or van. They have routes in almost every state except for California, where we've seen. But, you know, on this channel, I got over 250 videos for independent contractors and independent contractor companies. Some are app-based. Some you just got to get a contract. Some medical, auto parts. Some of everything for you guys. So hit that like button. Smash the subscribe button again, man. We're trying to get out. We're trying to blow up here in 2023, man. Help me get to 10,000 subscribers. Man, I'm going to do a giveaway. Probably give away a couple of gas cards for you guys. So holla at your boy. Until next time, boss up.